Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started with morning meeting.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday.
The month is April. What is the month? April.
Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. What is today? April, Wednesday, 22nd, 2020. Oops, I forgot to change that, guys. That's supposed to be 22nd. Sorry. The weather for today is sunny. And the degrees, we'll say about 90 degrees. It's going to be hot. It's been hot. For our life skills, we are learning how to brush our teeth. I've submitted a video with a PowerPoint on the following steps and explaining the objective. Remember, be active, play outside, run around, and have fun. For our social skills lesson, give me one thing you will do better today. So yesterday I said I was going to organize myself a little bit better. So today I'm going to say I'm going to focus on exercising, doing some home exercises. What are you going to do? That's great. So for today's agenda, we are going to, yesterday we did math. The day before yesterday we did math, then we did reading. Today we are going to do math again. Once you are done, remember, make sure you submit your work via text or email. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's get started.